What's going on YouTube? Welcome to another video of Tech Rant. Woo. So I'm not gonna say casually because it's nothing casual about doing YouTube, especially having multiple channels or whatever. One of the biggest goals is, getting monetized, obviously. Because once you're monetized, then you can really start getting paid for your efforts. And it may not be big money, probably be slow money, very, very slow money. You'll probably go a long time without getting paid. It's just a lot that go into it. But how this correlates to tech, no one talks about the testing. No one talks about the testing, the multiple logging into games, knowing if you're using hardware accelerated stuff when you're doing productivity stuff, how the CPU performs. Like, no one talks about the actual testing that you have to do with your tech. One of the things that I noticed, especially being quote unquote, so I think I've come to the conclusion that I am indeed a tech enthusiast. The reason why I said I am a tech enthusiast is just based off of, the average person. If I wouldn't be considered the average person with tech, especially with my highest end PC, which I'm using right now to record, and I have 3 other PCs that tasked to do different things. Now, this PC right here, this can do anything and pretty much smoke any game if it was just about gaming. This is my productivity / serious gaming PC. This PC is used to record. It's just a lot. Long story short, I use this PC more so to test a lot of things, like test the CPU. And my other PCs, because I have more than one, if I have to test them, like I have to test audio, and those take multiple tests. Just seeing how fast it is, seeing how temperatures, about throttles, and I don't hear nor see people talk about this. Like, a lot of us, quote unquote, even like if we're like mid, and what I mean being mid is like somewhat a tech enthusiast, or just trying to know the best tech to get or whatever. So, with like we subscribe or we follow people like hardware unboxed, or monitor unboxed, or Toasty Bros, and then one of my favorite creators is Tech Notice. Reason why Tech Notice is one of my favorites is just based off of he doesn't care about gaming. It has everything to do with productivity. But if you go off of his like layout and what's best for productivity, as a person that even have slight knowledge of tech, that it will be able to perform in gaming. And there's no short supply of YouTube channels that talks about gaming performance more so than you'll ever really be able to find with productivity, because the quote unquote productivity king would be Mac, and that's something else. That's another rant for a whole nother time. But when it comes to tech, no, I never hear nobody talk. Like I said, the people that's not just watching the creators, just taking the creators' word for it, the testing, the shader compilations, or whatever the case may be, learning how to test for these things, getting the programs. I just wanted to talk about this. Literally, that's why I created this channel and started posting on it, so I could just have these conversations, or whatever the case may be. So, in that being said, it's easy to like, so make sure you like the video. I know it takes everything to subscribe. I promise you, subscribe, you'll always leave here with something. I need to know if y'all have, like, do y'all test your hardware? Is it anybody that's like in the middle, or a tech enthusiast that truly run Cinebench, they're just not like a YouTube person and they just test their stuff? Or do they just take the words of the creator? Am I the only one that find it so time consuming but I do it anyway. Like, am I the only one that tests their gear, test their sound, test everything? Let me know.